It's a massive room, isn't it?
Oh, it's massive.
Been up all night?
Yes, we both have.
There might be a way that I can buy you some more time.
Right.
Give me 2 minutes.
Okay, thanks.
Okay,
Thanks.
one sec.
With the help of McCafe, we can do that thing.
Henry, me old mate.
G'day, Scotty. How you going?
Good, buddy. What I need you to do is do your thing.
For sure, we're doing the thing.
Can you do it?
All right, I think we can do that.
I want an hour.
1 hour.
Yes,
All right,
please.
Let's give him an hour.
Scotty turned back time.
He turned back time,
Gave us an extra hour.
which was great.
So we actually got some time too.
Yeah.
If I could turn back time, if I could find a way, I'd take back those words that I've heard you. You'd stay if I could reach the
We're our neighbours. What do you want?
I'd give them all to you.
Yeah, I sprained it. In my rush to go to the car, I actually just twisted my ankle.
It's very swollen now.
That's not a gap. Just put it outside. Put it outside.
Tools down!
Tools down.
I just want to go. Eyes down.
Done, hey?
Another week.
Oh my God, I'm so hungry.
High five. Thanks, Scotty, for the hour. We are ready to hear what the judges say.
I'm nervous.
Hopefully this is a winning room.
Hopefully.
10,000 will go down well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.